In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can select hardcore modes here in Call of Duty Black Ops 7. This is super easy to do, so we're going to dive straight into this. But before we do, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. This is going to work the exact same on PS5, Xbox, and PC. But to choose hardcore modes, go ahead and select Find a Match down in the bottom left, but don't select anything yet because you're going to see this little quick play option up at the very top. You're going to need to hover over it and you're going to see an option to filter. Go ahead and select the little filter menu, and now you're going to see all of your core game modes, and then of course you're going to see your hardcore game modes as well. Go ahead and select hardcore, and from here you could go ahead and tick whatever ones you actually want to play and untick whatever ones you don't want to play. Like for example, if I just want to do hardcore Nuketown 24/7, I would just tick Hardcore Nuketown 24/7, Team Deathmatch, Domination, Hardpoint if I didn't want to play these other ones. From here, I would just have to select Quick Play and I'd begin loading into any of the hardcore modes. But yeah, it really is as simple as that. Just filter it over to this section. If the filter button isn't appearing for you, just try and figure out what your keybind is. Mine is obviously R since I'm on keyboard and mouse right now. On console, I believe it is X. So go ahead and hit that, or X on Xbox, so that would be square on PlayStation, I believe. But yeah, if you guys do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide though, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel. It lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.